This is the iPad Pro. It's been talked about so much over the past few weeks, and for good reason too. The hardware of the device is amazing. Its processing power has never before been seen on an iPad. It has one of the most amazing displays on any device out right now, and a few features which makes a majority of the experience worth it. But apart from all of that, it's still just an iPad. It still runs iOS, and that's where we run into the fundamental problem with this device. I personally will not go into everything that's good or bad about iOS, but I will speak about the fact that iOS right now is too underdeveloped for the new iPad Pro. The system boasts extreme performance with higher numbers than we have ever seen before. But the fact is that if you really want to get things done, iOS is the only thing preventing you from doing that. This is the main reason why this iPad will never be a complete replacement for your personal computer. iOS just cannot do everything that you need it to, especially if you work in the field of content production. The power is there, but the software will not make use of this power in its current stage. So this is my message to Apple, even though I'm pretty sure nobody at Apple will see this, but please make some updates to iOS which will allow those power users to utilize the full physical power of the iPad. Make a completely new operating system if the need be, but please just make iOS more useful when it comes to performance with the new iPad Pro.